从TRRS amplified.
，Guess what that is? China radio. I haven't gotten China radio in probably 9 months. But I'm out here in my workshop. I got Big Bertha here, the Grundig Satellite 800. I've got my 31-foot vertical antenna hooked to it, and I'm at 9570. I used to get China radio on 9570 easy. In the morning, it's actually it's a little late. It's 8:05 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. So I'm a little surprised I'm getting it this late. Usually get it up until about sunrise. It's cooled off, and it's going to get cooler this week in Florida. And for some reason, I seem to receive shortwave better in the winter. I don't know why. And I asked Dr. T, the solar weather professor, if there is a reason for that or if it's just coincidental. I haven't gotten a reply back, but when I do, I'll let you know. But it's coming in pretty darn good. Well, guess what? It's gone. No signal. Now, maybe they stopped broadcasting at 8 o'clock, but I thought I was recording just after 8 o'clock. Maybe not. So maybe that's what happened. It's totally gone now. Can't hear anything. So I'm guessing that's what it is. And it could be, I don't think so, but it could be that it was a transmitter closer to me than actually from China. But normally on 9.570, that's coming from an antenna in China. It's gone now. The S meter is, oh, it just went back up. There it is. Coming back. So there's some kind of condition going on. Now it's getting stronger, about S6 there. Now you heard there, for a while, there was nothing. And the S meter was basically zero, just the noise level. But it's back now. Not as good as it was half hour ago. But it's trying to come in. So maybe band conditions, now that it's going to cool off here in Florida. Now it's snowing in other places, but here in Florida, it's actually supposed to get down to the 50s. And tomorrow or the next day. Right now, it's up in the lows or the upper 60s right now. It's like I say, it's about 8:10 p.m. a.m. And I think the low this morning was like maybe 68. So if that's the case, you know, like I say, I don't have any scientific proof or anything that in the winter reception gets better, but it seems to me like that's the case for me and my location. So anyway, fire up your shortwave radios and see if you're hearing things now that you haven't heard in 9 months like me. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Because I didn't hear all those things.
Let me, before I sign off here, let me tune the band a little bit here in the 31 meter band. And that's about it. Ooh. Preacher man. Okay, it's at 9.330. Okay, good. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.